As you can see, I have a spot here in my yard. This is the front of the house where weeds are growing. It's very unsightly. Apparently, when the landscaping was done, either no weed barrier was used or a very poor weed barrier was used, because you can see all the different spots where we got some dead grass and we got some green grass. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this weed barrier. I'm going to dig this up, and then I'm going to put this weed barrier down and then put the dirt back over it. Now, a couple things to note about this weed barrier. It is nice and thick, and it's a fabric type material. This is way nicer than weed barrier that I've gotten at other stores when I tried to save money. This is good stuff. It's really nice. I'm looking forward to using this, see how well it works. So I dug out the dirt and I laid down the fabric weed barrier. It's very easy to get it in position. This is such a good material. It's easy to work with. And then I used these electric scissors to cut it, and it cuts so well. I'm so impressed with this weed barrier. Now I'm going to put the rocks back on top of it and show you the finished product. So the project is complete. You can see the weed barrier is down, the weeds are gone, and then the rocks are back in place. It looks amazing. I love this product, A, because it's quality material, B, because it solves a problem, and finally, I hate pulling weeds. This is a great product. I highly recommend it.